Welcome to the video on Introduction to Amazon Business Features. Millions of professional buyers use Amazon Business to keep personal and work shopping separate. After creating a business account at business.amazon.com, business customers shop on Amazon normally, but with opportunities to view and take advantage of business-only offers, pricing, and quantity discounts. Buyers also have access to special features on Amazon that can help them run their businesses better. These include flexible payment options, dashboards and reports, and approval workflows. We connect Amazon sellers with business buyers and procurement professionals using a suite of features that optimize business-to-business or B2B transactions. These features are available on Seller Central to all professional sellers who want to grow their sales to business customers. There's no need to open a new seller account, relist your products, or change your fulfillment method. In fact, business customers may already be buying your goods on Amazon, but using B2B features can help strengthen the connection between your products and the business buyers who want to purchase them. You can optimize your sales to business customers using several B2B features as follows. 1. List your products with special business prices and quantity discounts that are only viewable to Amazon business customers. 2. Create business-only selections and offers to reserve products for professionals who might be buying in bulk. 3. Get personalized B2B product recommendations based on demand signals from Amazon business customers. 4. Create a business profile by adding new details to your public seller profile. Add a logo, a year established, or a mission statement. 5. List diversity and quality certifications to distinguish your business for discerning business buyers. You can also review dashboards and reports to better understand your business sales. Ready to start selling to Amazon business customers? If you're a professional seller on Amazon, you can already access the B2B features on Seller Central. Choose B2B from the main menu, then select B2B Central. For help getting started, select Grow B2B Sales from the menu on the left. If you're an individual seller, you can upgrade to a professional selling account anytime to begin using B2B features. See our module Start Selling to Amazon Business Customers for step-by-step instructions. This concludes our video on Introduction to Amazon Business Features. Thank you, and happy selling on Amazon!